Welcome to NFP Academy, and in this video you'll be learning how to properly do technical analysis. If you are coming to this channel, I know you are looking for a way on how to become very good in your trading, and that is the reason why I'm here. I'm here to help every struggling beginner trader and struggling trader to become the best in their trading journey. So I'd like to welcome you that you're at the right place. So right now, I would like you to follow up these videos and make your comment in areas where you need more help on. Okay, on the technical analysis is an area where we'll be diving deep into it. As we go into the charts, please would like to pay proper attention. What are we going to be dealing with today in our technical analysis? Now we're talking on how to properly analyze your chart. One, identifying your support and resistance zone, and then two, marking resistance zones and support zone from monthly time frame to 5-minute time frame. Now this is our chart. Okay, this is NZD USD, as you can see on the toolbar. Okay, I only trade NZD USD, and that is the trade that is only pair that I trade. I've tried other trade pairs, but this one works well for me. So I'll be giving you some of my secrets that have helped me to become a very good trader, profitable and professional trader. If you carefully follow this training, you are going to have the best trading experience. And if you are also a struggling trader and you just stumbled to this channel, please, I'd like you to just carefully pay attention to what we are going to be doing here. This might be what you need to change your trading experience. So this is the monthly. We are on the monthly time frame of the USD. So we are going to be analyzing our resistance zone. Okay, now we start with this point here. This is our monthly resistance zone. Okay, and the reason why we need to analyze this resistance zone while trading is that as a trader, when you know how to analyze your resistance zone, alright, both strong and minor, it will enable you to be able to enter trades at the right time, because most traders do not know how to where to enter trade, or how long to hold their trade. This will help you know how long you need to be in a trade, and then help you to know where you need to put your stop loss and your take profit. Okay, so one at a time. Now these are the zone. Okay, if you look at it, how am I marking the zone? I'm following this point here. You see this wick here. All right, this point here, there's a lot of wick here, resistance zone. Okay, you can see it here now. All right, so also to here at this point too. Okay, you can see there are resistance here and here. Okay, that's how you mark it. At this point, you can see there's a resistance here. Okay, there's a support here, and you can see this. Why you can see this? Then the last but not least, we put it here. Okay, so this is now how we mark the monthly resistance and support. All right, as you are aware, your top is a resistance, your down is your support. Okay, and when a resistance break through a support, the support becomes a resistance. So at this point, you see your resistance here, you see your support down, resistance here, you see your support down, and that is how it goes. Okay, this is your support, down your resistance. Okay, sorry, excuse me, the opposite. This is your resistance, down your support. Okay, this one is becomes your resistance, because your support. This one becomes your resistance. This one becomes your support. This one becomes resistance. This one becomes your support. This becomes resistance. This one becomes your support, and this becomes your resistance. And down here, your support. Okay, so we are done with identifying the monthly. Okay, we're going to do this till the 5 minutes, which this is an assignment for you. Okay, Whenever I come to this platform, I'll give an assignment to go and do. Okay, so we are done with the monthly. Now we'll go to the daily. Sorry, to the weekly. Okay, so go to the week. On your own place, you have to mark your chart the way I do it. That's how you make it in trading. Whenever you see something being done, you also do it likewise. Try to identify on any pair that you feel you are comfortable trading. Try to identify your zones. Okay, now this is the weekly zone. So let me use another color. I'll use red. Okay, now you can see this week here. Okay, this resistance this week. There's a lot of week. That's where you mark. Okay, then you go to the next. Yeah, I think there's something here. You can see this point here. Okay, I will come down to this point. You can see that here it's already marked. The week has already is already there, so you just leave it. Okay, so we'll come here now. Okay, okay, on the week, end of the month. That's what I wanted to say. Now come here. Okay, this is another zone. I think this is all for this particular zone. I would have said also we mark these two, but here we still have here, here at this point. But let's bring it down. Here should be okay. This point. Okay, then we'll go to our daily. Okay. Uh, go to our daily. Go to our daily chart. This is very, very important for every trader. Okay, very, very important for every trader. So this is our daily. Okay, so in our daily, we just have to here, let's change the color to green. Then we have here. You must know how to do this as a trader. This is your foundation of success in trading. Properly identify your zones. Okay, strong resistance zones and support zone. We have one here and then we have last here. Okay, now what is the importance of identifying these zones, this whatever we are doing now? Now look at the importance. Number one is how important of this exercise. It will enable you to identify where a resistance or a support could be before entering a trade. Two, it will prevent you from entering trades from the wrong place. Three, it will help you to know where to put your profit target. It will help you to know where to put your stop loss after taking a trade, and then it will help you to know the direction of the trade. So you can see some of the points why we are doing all this, which is very, very important. Now we have done that of the daily. Okay, we're saying one line here. Okay, then you now go down to the 4 hours. Okay, 4 hours, and also go and identify. All right, so we take our line and then you put 10. Okay, let's try yellow. Yes, 4 hours. Try to watch this video over and over again so that you can understand. This is the point. This is look at the week, look at the week you are seeing it so that you can understand what I am doing. Okay, that we have here. Yeah, okay. And I think that's all on the 4 hours. Mm, okay, that's all on the 4 hours. This point is we have a point here. Let's here. Uh, let's see too. Then we have another point here. Okay. Then we'll now go to the 1 hour. You do this until you to your 5 minutes. If you want to be trading from 5 minutes chart, you do it to 5 minutes. If you want to be trading from 15 minutes chart only, you don't want to go below. Like myself, I only stop at 15 minutes. I don't use 5 minutes chart to trade. My entry is for 15 minutes. So you can see now all these are resistance and support zone that when you are taking a trade, this is a this is a 1 hour. Okay, this is a 1 hour. Then a 1 hour, let's take another color, gray or black. Black should be fine. Good. So this doing this will help you to really know how to identify a zone and then know how to take your trades. Once you learn how to identify resistance and support zone, you know where to go out from a trade, and then you understand why a trade is retesting. Because whenever your trade is going up and it hits any zone or resistance or support, no matter how minute it is, you always see a retest before there is a push up. So this will keep you not to be happy, because sometimes when a trader enters a trade and he sees the trade returning back, he will think as though the trade want to knock him out. Meanwhile, the trade just encounter a resistance and the trade is trying to retest. So if you understand this principle, maybe you take a trade. If you have this line here, why you take a trade, and just try to monitor the reaction of these points that you have marked, it will help you to understand the psychology of the market. It will help you to know why the market is acting, behaving the way it's behaving. It helps you to know why the market retesting, why is it coming down, why is the market going up. So with all this, you will know where you are supposed to take trade and where you are not supposed to take trade. All right. Like if you look at it now, in this region here, there is no resistance. From here to here, on this 1 hour, there is no resistance. So if we have a trade that we take from this point, okay, it is easy for a trade to come to this point. All right, from because there is no resistance. Now, if you look at this point also, this point here, from here to here, you can see that there is no resistance. So when somebody takes trade from this particular point here, it's easier for the trade to just come up here without no resistance. But now you can see here now, there's a lot of resistance here. If a trade move from point A to point B here, either you take your profit. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I hope you can see. You can see there's a lot of resistance here. From here to this point. Okay, in case you cannot see. From here to here. Okay, you can see a lot of resistance. So sometimes maybe when you take a trade from this point, definitely it will come here. Okay, it will come here and maybe retest up, still retest up, and then retest back down. Okay, and then before it comes here. So there's going to be a lot of retests. And sometimes Phineas they are always afraid when they see a retest happening. Why is the retest happening? It's because of the resistance that is in the market. Alright. And sometimes if you understand how to make these markings, okay, like if you look at this point here, this this region here now, this region, look at my cursor. Okay. Now when you take your trade from this region, it's easier to have your stop loss always behind your this point here, behind this wick here. Maybe you take your trade from this line, from this resistance point here. Whenever you take your trade from a support zone, okay, it's good to have your stop loss below the support, something like this. All right. then you know that the trade is going to move from here to here. Then you can take your profit from here if you're afraid that they're going to knock you out. But meanwhile, if the trade move from here to here, okay, it has encountered a resistance. It will come, sorry, it will, if it encounter a resistance, what will happen? It will come back, okay, to this present resistance. Then it will push up to the next resistance. Then it will come back here. Then it will push up and try to break through to this point here. So you can see now this resistance, this one is once it's able to push up, it will move to the next resistance. Okay, you can see now this one is is our 1 hour resistance, which is weak. If it's able to break through this particular 4 hour resistance, it means that it's going to push up to this point. All right. So that is how some of the psychology of this trading is. So now I'll let you to that of the on your chart. I don't know the pair that you're trading, right? But I'd like you to try this. Try to mark out the results of puzzle. Have an idea of what this is all about. This is your foundation of having a strong uh, foundation on technical analysis. Being able to identify these zones properly. If you're able to do that, then you have a great start on your technical analysis journey. Please, I'd like you to like and subscribe to this video. This is my first video. Hopefully, I promise to pour out all my secrets that will help you to become the best trader that you have to be. But then we need more videos, we need more likes, and just click on the like, okay, button here and personalize, and also share the, and that's all I need from you. All right, and you see more of my video.